In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Copilot not working with quick and easy steps you can try right now. If Copilot suddenly stops responding or feels unresponsive inside an app, don't worry. Most issues are simple to resolve with a few quick checks. First, close the app where Copilot isn't working. Don't just minimize it, fully exit so it's not running in the background. On mobile, swipe it away from your recent apps. On desktop, quit the app completely. This clears out temporary glitches that can cause Copilot to hang. Give it a brief pause. About 2 seconds is enough. That tiny break lets the app release memory and restart its connection cleanly. Now reopen the same app. A fresh launch often restores normal behavior. As soon as it loads, try Copilot again and see if it responds. If it's back, great. You're done. If not, take a moment to review the prompt you entered. Copilot works best with clear, specific instructions that match what it's designed to do. Instead of something vague, be direct about the outcome you want and provide any necessary context. If your request is unclear, Copilot may not know how to proceed. Also consider whether you may have bumped into usage limits. For example, asking Copilot to generate too many images or very large outputs in a short period can cause it to stop responding temporarily. If that might be the case, wait a bit and try a smaller request to see if the service recovers. Next, open your App Store, Google Play on Android or the App Store on iOS. Search for Microsoft Copilot and find the official app from Microsoft. Check if an update is available. Updates often include important bug fixes and performance improvements that directly address issues like freezing or failed responses. If you see an update button, tap it and let the install complete. Once updated, reopen the Copilot app. A clean launch after an update can resolve a surprising number of software hiccups. If problems persist, it's worth checking whether the service itself is having issues. Visit downdetector.com or icedownow.com and type in Microsoft Copilot. These sites aggregate reports to show if there's a broader outage. If you see widespread problems, the issue is likely on the server side. In that case, the best move is to wait for Microsoft to fix it and check back a little later. That's it. Quick, practical steps you can do right now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.